Hey everyone, okay, so today is an epic video, epic. So I have teamed up with CURRENTBODY, and CURRENTBODY, if you don't know who they are, and I'm sure you do, they do the most amazing skin devices. They're skin, everything about skin, anti-aging, the health of skin, body too. And I've teamed up with them to create an epic box. And here it is, CURRENTBODY Skin, Wayne Goss, the LED Essentials. And this box is filled with essentials, and essentials that truly work. So I'm just excited to open it up and show you. So let me talk you through everything that is in this box. So first up, CURRENTBODY Skin LED Light Therapy Mask, the mask of all LED light therapy masks, clinically proven to reduce wrinkles by 35% in just 4 weeks. And 95% of people that use this say that their skin tone, texture, firmness, tightness, all improved. And this combines anti-aging red and near-infrared light therapy within a patented flexible silicone, which ensures that the light penetrates all areas of the face. And this is so important. That flexible band is so important. So CURRENTBODY Skin Hydrogel Face Mask, which is designed to be used with the CURRENTBODY Skin LED Light Therapy Mask. Together, this treatment will revive the skin, instantly revive a lackluster complexion. Your skin is left feeling nourished and firm and hydrated, and you just have that real radiance from this mask. It is an excellent mask. CURRENTBODY Skin Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now this serum acts like a moisture magnet, basically holding on to the water in your skin. It just keeps it looking hydrated and really plump. It's just beautiful. It's formulated with a very innovative complex, which is called Tens Up TM. And this serum slowly releases powerful actives to enhance the instant results that you'll experience with your other anti-aging devices, whatever they may be, or especially the mask, obviously. And you just get this incredible, incredible look from this serum. CURRENTBODY Skin Clarifying Clay Mask has been very cleverly formulated to absorb impurities on the skin, excess sebum, that's me, and just leave soothed skin, you know, in its wake. It's just a great mask. If you have problematic skin, this is brilliant. It goes excellent with LED light therapy and just helps to really draw out those impurities in the skin, and it's very, very calming also. CURRENTBODY Skin Daily AHA Tonic. Now this is formulated with natural AHAs, and this is a skin brightening tonic, basically wiping away skin impurities and exfoliating your skin. And by removing the dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, this tonic is a perfect pre-treatment to your favorite beauty devices. By basically buffing away that kind of dull layer on the skin, the microcurrent or radio frequency or LED technology can all work better by penetrating the skin easier to the deeper levels, giving your skin just the best possible results. And also it's worth noting, this product is huge. You get a lot of product. CURRENTBODY Skin Daily Foaming Cleanser is a coconut-derived cleanser that complements your favorite cleansing devices or just your hands, it's fine. It doesn't make the skin feel tight or stripped of moisture, which a lot of cleansers can. And this cleanser increases the efficiency of your beauty devices because it preps the skin before treatments. It's also formulated with AHAs and niacinamide, so it's great for all skin types, especially problematic skin. CURRENTBODY Skin Eyebrow Precision gives you complete control for shaping your eyebrows, erasing, unwanted hair instantly and effectively. And it's got this really brilliant micro precision blade. With a built-in light, the device helps you target even the finest hairs. And this is a painless treatment. So it's excellent for me because my eyebrows can get a little bit, they just can. And this is great for sensitive skin as well. A CURRENTBODY Skin Eyebrow Razor is a revolutionary alternative to tweezing or waxing or threading. You can remove unwanted hair on your face and body and tackle coarse or fine hairs with minimal effort, which is just great. Now this entire box with all its contents is worth over £435, but if you buy it all together in this limited edition box, you get 30% off plus an additional £20 if you use my code. So now you know all the amazing things in this box. think it's a good idea that I just give you a little insight into my experience, not only with this mask, but somebody that's been using LED light therapy for over 2 years. And I have spoken about LED light therapy many, many times on my channel. Interestingly, I watched a video just the other day of a couple of dermatologists, really well-respected dermatologists, and they were saying that of all the things that work, and there's a lot of things that work, LED light therapy is the best of the best. And I can absolutely state that as a fact. When I first started, I think within 2 or 3 days of using it, I noticed an improvement in my skin. And I'm talking about clarity. I'm talking about that the skin looked better. I couldn't quite decide how or why, but it just looked better. It looked healthier, brighter. And I think people fall into this camp that they look at these devices as purely just anti-aging devices, and they are. But this isn't about chasing a wrinkle. This is about the overall health of your skin over a prolonged period of time. Because when you have this product, you get to use it indefinitely, not just today, but tomorrow and next year and the year after, because it's designed to last. And what's great about this product compared to a lot of other LED light therapy masks is that this one doesn't take an hour to use. You're in and out, 10 minutes, you're done, your skin looks fabulous, and you can use this morning or night. Personally, I use this at night because I'm a big fan of skincare at night. So I put this on, 10 minutes and I'm done. And even if there were a product out there that promised the earth, but I needed to dedicate an hour a day to it, I couldn't, because I know that I wouldn't be able to give that kind of time to something. But this, 10 minutes and I'm done. The fact that this product has this kind of flexible effect to it. So, you know, a lot of LED masks, they're very stiff, whereas this one actually just contours to your face. And the best thing about it is that, you know, like I said, 10 minutes, you're done. But also, because of this kind of flexibility, you're hitting all areas of the face, but it's easy to travel with. So you can go away and you can use this kind of product. And that's really good because I don't want to carry anything really big and heavy with me. Now, over time, using LED therapy, your skin will look better. It's going to look brighter. It's going to look clearer. If you are suffering from blemishes, it's going to help with that. Pigmentation, skin firmness, wrinkles. It's going to help with all of that. But for me, it was never about the wrinkles. It's about just the skin looking the very best it can look. You know, that's what skin is to me. It isn't about whether you look 20 years younger. It's about whether you look the best you can look. And that's what this does for me. It makes me, I feel makes my skin look just incredible. And when I don't use it, I'm absolutely aware, especially if I've missed 2 or 3 days, I really notice the difference. And that's what keeps me coming back to it, because it just works. It just works incredibly well. So there you go. That is this incredible, weighs a ton, incredible box. Now, all the information on this box is right down there in the description bar. Code, everything that's in here, all the blurb you could ever want. And this is a limited edition box. And a big thank you to Current Body, because it was great to come up with what to put in this box. The essentials, the things that really work. Exfoliating your skin, cleaning your skin, dealing with skin. Because to me, that's what it's about. Even though I'm a makeup artist, it's always about the skin. I always want the skin to look its most fantastic, and it's just wonderful. I've been using this mask as my sole mask for nearly a year perhaps, and it's just been amazing. I love it, and I'm so proud of this collection. Again, all that information is right down there in the description bar. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you, Current Body. You're an absolute legend, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.